In this video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock permanently locked Snapchat. The process is simple. So before we begin, first make sure you're connected with the internet. And once you're connected with the internet, open up your Google Chrome application. So now once you're on your Google Chrome application, on the search bar of Google, type in Snapchat support. Now once you type in Snapchat support, you will see the first website that says Snapchat support. Click on it. Now once it brings you here, now what you need to do is to click on contact us. Now you will see few options appearing. What can we help you with? That's what the option is saying. So what you need to click now is I can't access my account. Right here, the second option. I can't access my account. Now once you click on it, you'll see options appearing below saying, oh no, tell us more. Then click on I think my account was hacked. Now once you click on it, scroll down and you'll see a page right here where you can put in your username, email, put in your phone number, and once you are done putting it, then Snapchat is asking you what information should we know. Then tell them what is happening to your Snapchat. Tell them that you want to unlock your Snapchat account, that it got hacked. So Snapchat will get back to you once you are done telling them. You send it to them. You click on send by the bottom. So Snapchat will solve the problem for you. So that's it. If this video helped you out, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you.